How to add a channel on the Telegram. If you have been using the Telegram app and now wondering on how to add the channel on it, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it, so let's get started. First of all, open the Telegram application just like this. After opening it, you will find something like this on your home screen. Now to add a channel, tap onto this pencil icon at the top just right here. Select it, and here you can find new channel option. Now tap on it. Then tap on to create channel just right here. Select it, and by here you can simply add your channel name, add your description, and tap on to done and tap on to next. And you can simply create your channel public or the private, and then simply tap on to next and tap on to next, and add the person that you want to add to your channel and tap on to next. And now you can see you have added a channel on the Telegram. It is a very easy process, right? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.